In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth devices connected but having no sound on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is make sure it's actually properly connected. So go over to Bluetooth, of course, make sure it's on, and whatever headset or Bluetooth device you're using, make sure it says connected and make sure it doesn't say not connected next to it. So obviously my AirPods 3, they are properly connected. If I press the I, it's going to take me over to the settings. The next thing I want to do is just make sure that I have my volume actually turned up for whether whether it's media playback or any calls, just make sure it's turned up. You also want to make sure you're not on any do not disturb mode like work, sleep, anything like that. And another thing that you could also do is go to your settings application, scroll down until you find sounds and haptics, and then make sure you don't want to be on silent mode if you want to get ringtones, alerts, and stuff like that. And then also if you want to change the volume for it, you can change that over here as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos that we've been posting on the channel as well.